Hi everyone, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in Blue Prism, the difference between code stage and global code. Understanding these differences can help you decide when to use each features in your automation projects. So let's get started. First, let's talk about code stage. What is code stage? The code stage allows you to write and execute the custom code within a specific action of Blue Prism business object. It is used to perform tasks that are not possible through standard Blue Prism stages. So in the previous video, you will have learned about the code stages where I have shown a simple examples of adding two numbers, and also I have covered how to take input and output parameters, and then using those parameters we can use this code stage and write the custom code in code stage. Now let's discuss about the global code. So global code can be written in the initialize page here by going to this Blue Prism properties and then go to the global code. Global code allow you to write reusable code that can be accessed across the multiple actions within the same business object. And this is ideal for common functionalities that need to be shared. Now, what is the purpose of code stage? The primary purpose of code stage is to handle the complex logic, calculations, or integrations that can't be done with the blueprint standard stages. And the scope of code stage is limited to the actions or process in which it is used. And this means the code is not reusable across the different actions or processes. The primary purpose of global code is to provide a central location for reusable functions or utilities that multiple actions within a Blue Prism business objects can use. Scope of the global code. The scope of the global code is within the business object. Any actions within the same object can call the functions defined in the global code. The key differences between the code stage and global code. We are going to talk based on the features, like we have a scope. So code stage is limited to the specific actions or process. Other side, we have global code. So as per the scope feature, it is available to all actions within an object. So you need to write once and then that code can be accessed in the same object in all the actions. But if you're writing to the code stage, only that can be accessed within that code stage. If you need to use that again, you have to write the same code again and again. Now, based on the reusability feature, code stage is not reusable across different actions and processes. So every time you have to write the code in that code stage that cannot be reused. But on the other hand, global code is reusable across actions in the same objects. So the global code can be written in the global code options in the initialized page of that business object, and then that functions, that code, that method can be called in a different actions in that same object. So that is the reusable. Now the third feature is maintenance. So code stage requires the changes in every instances. So let's say in you have written the same code, let's say in different business objects, right, in different business objects, and now you you found that there is some issue with that specific code. Then you have to find out that code stage everywhere, and then you have to go and fix that one, right? But in the other hand, we have global code. So update once, write once, or you can say update once and used everywhere in the object. It means if you are writing at one place, you are writing the code in global code. If there's any changes that you want to do, then you can just go to that initialize page, and then you can just update the code in the global code, and then it can be used everywhere. It will be reflected there. Now, the last but not the least, the fourth feature is use case. Use case based on the code stage is complex logic within a single action. So in one action, we can write all the logic. As per the global code, we have common functions needed by multiple actions. So one common functions we can write there, and we can call by multiple actions as per the needs. So this is the difference between the code stage and the global code. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped clarify the difference between code stage and global code in Blue Prism. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in comments below. Until next time, happy learning.